Hello, want to give you a tour of this fix and flip project that I just wrapped up. I'll give you a before and after look at this house. I'll talk to you about some of the individual projects that we did and what they cost, like that stone and the paint job. Also, towards the end of the video, I'll give you the total budget and what we spent taking this house from what it was before to the finished product ready to list for sale. So just want to give you a walk around here on the outside. We added that stone veneer and a paint job on the outside here. So that stone work, it was about $2,200 for the stone and $2,300 for the labor, more or less. And then that mailbox that you saw up front made out of the same stone was another $800. Let me know what you think about this paint color. It's had about 5 different paint colors on it when I first bought the house. So went ahead and gave it a full paint job. This is called Amazon Mist. And then all the doors and trim on the outside are called Swiss Coffee. Those are bare paint colors from Home Depot. This house got a new air conditioning system, split AC system. You can see 2 units there. The inside units as well as the duct work on this house, all brand new. Other than that, it was pretty much cosmetic level flip. That HVAC system was pretty much the only major system on this house that got replaced. So that cost $12,000 for the AC system to get updated. That include the duct work. And then the backyard here, we put new grass down. You can see it's kind of a shallow backyard here, but it's got a good side yard on the other side of the house. And that's been one of the objections, is they didn't like this small backyard so far. But you'll see the side yard here in a little bit, pretty big. This back patio had some sort of construction project before I started, so we just ripped that out. All these exterior doors are brand new here. The entire house, I redid the exterior doors. So you can figure probably $800 to $1,000 installed for each one of the doors. The windows on this house were good. The roof on this house was good. The side yard here, you can see the survey marker over there in the corner blowing in the wind. So pretty good side yard here that you can see, all the way over there. So I guess if we would run a fence along that property line and maybe up to that electric panel, it would have made up for that shallow backyard. We could have just took out that small dividing fence there and had a big wraparound backyard, side yard. This house has an irrigation system in it, and when I bought it, I didn't know what kind of shape it was in. So it had 7 zones on the irrigation system, and it probably had about 7 breaks in the pipe. So a lot of that had to be dug up and redone, but it's good working order now. That cost about $3,000 to get fixed. So I don't know how long it had been neglected, but I'm the one that got to come along and get it back in running order. You can see the before pictures earlier, showed that yard was dry, brown, no love. So all these doors in the back, they've all been redone. Paint on the outside. These are, full glass doors with the interior blinds. So this is the inside. Before I take you inside and show you what we did with the house, here's an idea of what it looked like before. So this house was built in 2004, and a lot of the interior kind of matches that time. The tile, the cabinets, the countertops, all kind of scream early 2000s. Not a horrible house, but it was definitely was not move-in ready. And so we went in, refreshed it, did some flooring, did some paint. Let's go check out what it looked like after we got done turning around. But this is what it looked like before. A lot of pastels, a lot of early 2000s. And we'll give you the inside. We try to go with a bright white. It's got a lot of windows on this house. So when the light comes in, the blinds are open. It's a really nice, bright house. So we went with a total white paint job on the inside. The ceilings, it's got high ceilings. The walls, all the same paint color. This was a Sherwin-Williams paint, pure white. You can see we did the vinyl plank flooring, new fixtures as far as all the electrical fixtures. But the paint job on this house probably cost about $8,500 to paint everything, doors, trim, ceilings, walls. When we put in the vinyl plank flooring, we came back in with a quarter round on the baseboards. So we had to caulk and paint all that. So I think it came out pretty good. In the bedrooms, they had carpet before, so I just came back in with more carpet, new carpet. Got that from Home Depot. I let them do the install as well. So I think the carpet, the pad, and the install on the 3 bedrooms with carpet was about $1,200 or $1,300. The doors were good. We just swapped out the hardware, so new hinges, new handles, painted the doors that were there. The handles and hinges, got them off of Amazon. In the bathrooms, we just painted the vanity cabinets, put in new sinks and granite countertops, new fixtures for the plumbing, ripped out the old shower surround and bathtub that was in here, put a new bathtub, put a new tile surround, new Kohler tub, new Kohler shower fixtures, and new toilets, just new fixtures inside the bathroom. So this is a 4-bed, 2-bath. So both the bathrooms, we did basically the same thing, just paint and countertops. In the kitchen, we used the same granite that you see in the bathrooms. This is called Dallas White granite. If you like this color, look it up or tell whoever you're working with that you want Dallas White. That's the color of this granite. Let me know what you think about this backsplash. I started there, and then I took it all the way to the ceilings. I was trying to take advantage of these high ceilings in the kitchen. And when the tile guy was in there putting the backsplash in, I said, you know what, let's go ahead and take it all the way to the ceilings. So that's what we did. Let me know what you think. I thought it came out pretty good. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of that chandelier hanging there too? That was another one that I kind of liked, LED, sparkly. Let me know what you think about that one. Do you like the sparkle or not so much? So the granite in the kitchen, the bathrooms, all the matching granite, $3,850. That was for them to rip out the old granite. That included the sinks installed with the granite and the granite itself for the kitchen, the bathroom. So that's 1, 2, 3 bathroom sinks, a double kitchen sink, and the granite, removing the old granite and installing the new stuff. So $3,850 for that. All the cabinetry was in decent structural shape. We just painted it, gave it a new paint job, and that was it for the cabinetry. So it went from that brown that it was before, and we just gave it a white paint job. Good to go there. Let me know what you think about that transformation on the cabinetry from the brown to the white. This is the primary bedroom. It was like a pink before, and so anyway, it got a paint job. Same thing in the cabinetry here for the vanities and the linen closet cabinetry there. Just painted it. On this one, we put some pulls. I'm not sure what I think about these pulls. These came off of Amazon. I mean, nice, but I don't know how they fit in this bathroom. So double sinks. Left the jacuzzi tub, and it had a corner shower there too. I didn't want to start changing the layout, so I just left it there and made the best of it. So it's got a new base, new shower surround tile, and the glass door, and everything's new there. And then this is the water closet. That's what I call it. It's got a new toilet in there, new toilet paper holder. Hey, you can only do so much. So that's what we did on that one. And as far as electrical work, we basically just all the fans, all the fixtures, there's $300-400 hanging there, and a ceiling fan. Same thing with the chandeliers, the lights. Those were can lights before. We just put in some LED wafer lights, and did that throughout the house. So all the fans, all the fixtures were the early 2000 style, and we just gave it all brand new, updated look on the fixtures, which changes it quite a bit. So the laminate flooring, vinyl plank flooring installed with the material, the installation, and the flooring installer put the quarter round in over top of it, along the border, and the thresholds going from the carpeted bedroom to the plank flooring, about $10,000 for that. So $10,000 for the flooring. I think the electrician charged me about $3,500 to $4,000 to redo all the fans, all the outlets, and everything, all the electrical work. So I had to pay a plumber, but overall, I'm trying to remember as much as I can to share with you. I've got it written down as far as what it costs individually project. But this house here is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,050 square feet, more or less. And this project in total with the exterior, interior came out to about $110,000, about $54 a square foot for the remodel here. So you saw what it looked like before. You see what it looks like now. Let me know what you think about the transformation. $54 a square foot for the remodel, $110,000 on this project. Did we do good? Did we spend too much? Did we just not do a good remodel, or do you love it? Let me know what you think. I think it came out pretty decent. We've got it listed for sale right now. So just want to share this with you and give you an idea if you're thinking about doing a remodel. It's always kind of nice to know what somebody else spent per square foot. There's no two the same, but it gives you at least a ballpark. I appreciate you checking out the video, checking out this flip project with me. And if you would, I would appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you would. Let me know what you think about this one. And check out some of the other videos on the channel. And I will keep them coming. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.